So next I'm going to talk about how to avoid violations in TikTok Shop. So first and foremost, you want to avoid screen recording any content. You want to always have the product on hand and create original content. That's the best way to go about it. The next one is don't steal or use someone else's content. TikTok is getting more strict with this, so you definitely don't want to cross that line. Next one is don't repost any videos without making changes to it. That includes your own content. TikTok just doesn't like any repurposing of any content, including your own content. Next one is don't show any trademark logo of any name brands. When you do that, you're at a high risk of getting a violation. And if you're doing a comparison videos, don't even mention or say the name brands, because a lot of the name brands, the name is trademarked. So you definitely don't want to mention them, because when you do, you also risk at getting a violation. Next one is don't tag the wrong product. So when you tag a product into your video, make sure that it's the same exact product that you're promoting, because when you tag the wrong product, you also put yourself at risk at getting a violation. And the last one is don't provide any misleading info. That includes any inaccurate info of your listing or making any exaggerated claims. These are all very common reasons for you to get a violation in your TikTok shop, and you definitely want to avoid them.